Microphone. Hey, back in the game. Microphone was not working. That's why we were on that mad fucking waiting screen for so long. Apologies, guys. Don't know how to reopen it. There we go. So today, yeah, it was nice. What's going on here? What the fuck is happening? So that's fine. Connected. Right, we back? I think we're back. But yeah, bullish day today. Price, after the stream last night, fucking shit the bed. So we took the sells around here, didn't work. Come up to that 78 sell and worked quite nicely. If you had a wider stop from yesterday's positions, you'd have fucking ate big time. And then the levels I had previously marked, I think it was a 1 hour actually. Just like structure level. Got respected perfectly, I think it was the level one. Yeah, so that was one. That was the other. Because like even still, like the market, the cleanest way is levels. Cleanest way starts to look through it, and then you can add other things, add other analysis methods and indicators that you use for entries. That's fine, but you've always got to start with clean structure. On the 5 minute, we had some nice positions you could have got in today. With this little break and retest sort of shit indicating all of it. So was that today? Yeah, so that was this morning. So at this point we're looking for sells. If you plot this high, then price was always above it. As you can see, when price got here, the buyers took back over and it struggled to get around or even past this area again. Once price had come up and closed below this level, that pretty much confirms it's going to carry on down. Carried on down, waited for the retest, could have got in. I imagine, actually I know it was a fib as well. Or just under the 78, sorry. It's unfortunate. Is it a 70 from here then? Oh, that'll be why. Time frame's off. Still not quite right though, is it? Maybe it wasn't a fib. I think this was one of the levels from earlier today. Oh no, it wasn't. That's just what I applied there. Dickhead. Going on, man. Good to see you. Appreciate the watch. Oh, I'm on the wrong side there. I want to be there. There we go. That was is it frozen again? Gold just not working again. Silver open? Bitcoin's moving. Yeah, so it's not the internet. Metals have frozen again, so maybe they're opening at 5 past now. But it was 3 minutes yesterday. And it's been like it's been 4 minutes today. Oh, yeah, shit, it's fucking... Ah, I fucking know. I don't know who you are, but I know who you are, and it's weird. Calling me handsome, bruv. Shut up. Oh, I've just hopped on screen for no reason. Let's look at crypto then. Who is this kid calling me handsome? State your name and where you come from. As if I'm fucking streaming and it's full of bank call. 9 people as well. Yeah, obviously everyone's clicked on the group because it's Thursday. What are you saying, Big Mark? Fuck off, we can do crypto. The game is not over. My knowledge is infinite. Across all markets, world's greatest trader. As if. Yeah, I'm just a fucking idiot. I didn't even know it was Easter. Makes sense, all the eggs and that in the supermarket, though. Crypto. I mean, I'm buzzing about that because I can go and watch TV faster. You fuck off calling me cute, you weirdo. I'll fight you. Martin, when can I come and use that thingy to fix my car? You should know what I mean by that. I can't be asked going into further details. I think I've got the vocabulary for that right now. Why is he here every day though? Is it just metals that are closed or? Yeah, what? Why is it just gold? What's that about? Racial injustice to me. Let's get Bitcoin on a short time frame. See what we want to see. Right, consolidating. Pretty cool. Are we going to go aggressive and use these levels? Or be conservative and wait for it to break above here? So what we could see would be something like and then fuck off to the moon. It probably wouldn't do it in that many moves, would it? That was just to make it look prettier, to be honest. I'll do it in there. Yes, we come up to here, back down either to this level retest or down to this point here before fucking back off. And now obviously we don't need to know how far it's going to go. So as it gets up to here and comes back down, we could look to enter around here. I think this is quite a nice level to look at. Because the same shit works across most markets. So if we were going to be aggressive, we'd wait for price to close above here on the 5 minutes and then try and enter maybe around here, around there maybe. Stop loss below the low, target the highs. Easy work. Or if it comes up to the high straight away and then comes back down, I'd wait for it to go a little bit lower. Push back down into this bigger level. Take some longs. But we'd have to sit on here for hours to do that. What do you think you're aiming for those highs? NQ. No queer. Oh, I'm thirsty now as well. Yeah, this is only going to be a short one for this. Fuming. That was why G didn't fucking phone me to be like, you're streaming today. I felt like the harassment was a bit, well, just missing really. Would you? Oh, surely you'd want it to sweep that first. I don't know, if we close above here, I don't see why we'd come down too far. Obviously, like, I do think if it closes above here, it'll come back down, but only to one of these two levels. Yeah, because it's failed to break this low. Ah, yeah. I can see that going up. It's closed above this high. Now it's just fucking around. Even if it comes down, I'll be looking for longs. Where's it going to come down to? On a higher time frame. Is it there? Is it there? There? I'm going to go there. So that's the two areas I'll be looking at possibly entering on from a 1 hour point. And that's pretty much purely just because prices closed above here on the 1 hour. It's made a higher high. We want it to make a higher low to confirm, so if price comes down and reacts off this level, we're gambling that this is gambling. We're estimating that one of these levels is where price comes from. Just trying to see, is there a third one? No. I reckon it's going to be that one. Target 68, can go stops below the low for a 1 to 2.5. Want to go a bit more aggressive, go stops below this level. But I may even have that as an extra entry, to be honest. That's quite a significant level of structure, so maybe that's where price is going to push down to. Gonna have to mark that as well. Now we got 3 levels, that makes it a bit more confusing. I'm probably going to ignore the first one then. If it comes to there and fucks off, hey ho, we're wrong. But yeah, 66,248. It's probably not going to even do that today though. Oh, no, we're going to go from this first one. Fuck it. Stops nicely below this level. Targeting the high, 68,500. What do you reckon, G? Bomber Clark, here he is. What's up? Who's the new lightbulb fellow in the group? Yeah, that's the G. When I say G and I mention him, that's him. G stands for greatest trader. But yeah, he's the one who messaged on his fucking girlfriend's profile in my Discord saying that I fucking touched him or something. Donut. But he's your crypto man. If he tells you where it's going to go, he's probably going to be right more so than I am. Shut the fuck up, lads. That was you. Shut up, was it her? She's way too nice to do that. Harassing me like that. He is a legend. Everyone needs to encourage him to join us and get involved in that and fuck off his current employers. And we'll all make bank and he can do all the crypto side of shit. I'll do gold. We'll be the best group ever. everyone will want a piece of us. And we'll be like PB trading, but can actually trade. Ha! See, look, they're already getting excited. You can't let down the family now. Come on, man. We want to see you. We want the community. He started his own community, that's the thing. Sartaj, like, he's too good. He's too good to be in something that I'm involved in, he thinks. He'll be hating this so much. Yeah, despising that he will be. I'm trying to encourage him this way. But he's never gonna join me fully, unfortunately. I don't know why. I'd love him to. We'd have the best time. Wouldn't we, Pedro? Come on, lads. What have I got to do? Whose palms have I got to grease? Okay. Nah, he rates it. Ah, good. He doesn't hate it. Yeah, we want you, man. You'd be a good addition. You'd have a good time. Everyone in there is sound as well. Give you some time. Come on, man. Time is what we all got, to be honest. So, I'm fucking pissed off that gold's closed, so. Supposed to be doing a 1-to-1 tomorrow. I would like to have got some more ideas. But, what can we do? Fucking hell, when did that happen? Jesus. That's mental. What the fuck happened? 1 AM. How have I gone a whole day without seeing that? That's crazy. I know I keep saying the same fucking thing, but how is oil that high? How on earth? 115 again. Nice little spike today. I called buys to everyone at fucking 86, 87 on my Instagram. Everyone in the group when it was around 90. Jesus Christ, like, what can I say? Did I keep it and hold it? Absolutely not. Should I have made racks on racks on racks? Yeah. But, as I say, I'm a do as I say, not as I do. And you'll make loads of money. So just let me coach you. It'll be good. Trump's speech, silly. I didn't even know he was speaking. Did you tell me that? Oh, yeah, he speaks at 2 AM. I did hear that. Who said that? Max said it. He told me. As if Martin's still there. Martin, you didn't answer me. Can I come and use your car fixing thing? What's that about? Looks Jewish to me. What have I told you about coming into my social medias and talking that shit? What have I said? Like, you can message me whatever you want. You can say it in the group. You said tomorrow. Have I had that many messages I missed it? Yeah, I'm obviously not going to come right fucking now. You did not say tomorrow. Yes, he did. I'm a liar. I'm sorry. I'm a liar. He said it. Cool. I'll message you, man. Roll up. Still got them. I don't know what I'm going to ask. I'll save the questions for tomorrow, otherwise I'll run out. We support them. Yeah. Oh, I don't support anyone. I support Wolves. Famous now. That's true, man. I'm not far away, I reckon, from getting the conversation. You know, where they're like, oh, you got to stop doing these things. And if you just kiss the wall, you'll be alright. I feel like I'm near it. I want to be near it. Oil stopped as well. Just so you didn't know, in case you didn't know. But 13%. That's crazy. Apparently there's no jet fuel in Asia, so they're just telling everyone to stay at home. I wish they were saying that to me in Asia. Oh no, I've got to stay inside. Get massages. Ah, fucking. Probably not like. Go ahead, I'll message you. Fuck knows, I'll figure it out. I'm really upset I got nothing to analyse and spat out on a little 1 minute trade. She got a new US30. I want to be calling a winner for someone. Right. I can't come down after a bullish candle like that, can it? Closed above here, come back down. Yeah, we're going up. Bye. Got to take a trade every stream, otherwise full game. Nobody take this trade though. Where's the TraderAE meetup gonna be? That's sick. I think we should do it in Tatnall. I don't know what people would want to do though, because like I've done a few things like that with different groups, and some things have been good, like you go out for food and have a few bevies, and like if you actually get a bit fucked up, everyone starts chatting properly. It's good, but like everyone's just different, so I don't know what would be a fun thing to do, or even just worth it, or where you could go. Somewhere mad. I'll buy everybody a ladyboy for being a member. All the OG members who supported me early, they get free ladyboys at the meetup. That sounds good. Fucking. What knowledge can I share right now? Other than these stupid charts that I don't normally analyse. Can't even predict gold for next week. Well, I can. I think up then down. What are you gonna buy? US30. Don't. I literally said don't. My house. I don't have a house. I'm houseless. I live in a shed, basically. I think it should be in Thailand. When we go to Thailand, G, and we get that gaff, I think that's where we should do it. And it'll be the most degen party ever. Nah. Tatnall equals packet. I already know you're laughing at that bit. Speckle bean. GU. I used to trade a bit of GU. See, look, I had this daily level marked on. Did it work? Did it fuck? Broke and retested. Now it's pushed back up again. Is it a weekly level too? Yeah, it was a weird weekly close. But I think that's one of them ones where Fusion's been a bit gay on TradingView. Fuck that. So we got this level. That's another little one. Maybe I want it there actually. Go off more recent price action. That can be a backup later on as a single line. Yeah, I imagine this week's going to finish bearish then, judging by these candles, and it's come up here 3 times and rejected every time and then pushed lower, and on the daily it closed below this level. I would imagine this is going to sink if we get down on a lower time frame. What are we waiting for? Yeah, it would be still be priced to close below here, to be honest. And it's failed to make a lower low, so we could be going bullish. I'm still bearish on the weekly, but for the next few hours. GU up. I can see it actually coming up here. Probably go a tighter stop loss or a wider stop loss. Nah, I want a free. What am I, gay? Free R. That'll do. Always buying something, he is. Yeah, we gotta do something anyway to get people away and have a little elevate. One, it's good content. Makes my group look sick. I'd just like to do that. Buy people some shit. It would be cool. After 3 accounts. Literally nothing moves at this time other than gold. What else can we do? What's not banned on YouTube, G? What could I do that wouldn't get me in trouble? I mean, I was talking. Imagine just like buying a mega gaff out there though. Like Josh was saying, you can get a shitty one for like 60k. So if we like 500k between like 3 of us, and Josh has got a Thai passport, so you could even fucking like we'd own the land and that, and just buy a fucking like what Alex G's done in America, but in Thailand. Be fucking sick. And you can just get stoned, do your analysis, get some head, and get on with it. Fucking learn to live the trader lifestyle. Gamble. Nah, can't be gambling on stream. Not yet. Oh, fucking, I'm actually just going to have to shoot off. What a shitter. Unless there's anything someone can ask me to keep me entertained and keep me going. I need the market. It's why I don't stream on the fucking weekend, because nothing happens, and this is basically a weekend. But it's Easter, so everyone fucking, if you're a church guy, go church. Last Easter, I was in Korean church in Vietnam. It was weird. I got really drunk the night before, and then woke up and was like, "Oh fuck it, let's go to church." Went this Korean church, got 2 like whole eggs, like an actual egg, like a real crackable egg, with pictures of Jesus on. And then they gave me loads of free food, and it was like sweet and sour pork and shit. And, loads of rice. It was the best store I've ever gone in my whole life. Even though everyone was Korean and looked at me hilariously. Yeah, it was cool. Made me feel godly. But I'm not doing that here. Fuck that. UK churches are weird. Anybody wants to come to Korea, let's have it. Yeah, right, so that'll be the last fucking bank holiday stream. Apologies for wasting you guys' time. Feel like I haven't taught you too much, other than bragged about some other entries. Yeah, but yeah, there's been some serious entries today and this week, and it's all just been about waiting. All just been about waiting. Waiting for nice tries, like the higher 78 from here, was it? Nah, the 88, sorry. Like just waiting for the extremity of the level, that absolutely pinned. That missed, and then people got burnt trying to sell. And if you just waited for one of the final levels, nice and easy, great retest there, you could have got some insane shorts. We called a few of these long, that one, yeah. We called this long. The market has been, if you've been thinking in like a shorter time frame and being too zoomed in on the charts, it's actually been really difficult. But just zooming it out and looking at it on the 4 hour and just not getting involved in all this bit and just waiting, like, the 88's up there, it lines up perfectly. It's also on a nice big round number at 4,800. And you could have sold that with... What sort of stop loss would you have had? And you obviously would never have gone above the 800. You'd have gone at like 98, wouldn't you? Just because it's just under the level. You could have gone stops behind there. Because it could still come down further. Who knows? But yeah, you probably would have targeted that high, wouldn't you? 1 to 3, one trade. You could have even had a tighter stop. Like $70 is mental, isn't it? Could have refined that a little bit. If you'd have got stopped out, you'd have got stopped out. But you could have pulled out a nice trade there, just waiting. Can I do a funded giveaway? Why? What do you want? How much funded do you want? What firm? Yeah, give me... Yeah, do you know what? I might do that. How do I get people to sign up though? What's that about? What should be the entry for the giveaway? Or should I just give it to you? Do you just want it? What are people going to gain? Do you want money? Do you want just a funded account? 10k? 10k funded? I actually think we could do that, you know? I want to get sign-ups or something though, or fucking thingies from it, so it'll probably run over like 2 weeks. What can people do? What's a good interactive giveaway? I don't want it to be a boring one. No? What other giveaways do people do? I mean, I'm probably going to start doing them within the group, to be honest. Like, I would like people to be members. I can do you a nice fat discount code, though. Because we're on live. But... could we hide something in a video? Could we just do it for whoever comes on stream the most? A trade of the week or a trade of the month contest. Flip Friday maybe. Yeah, that would be cool. Obviously we can't really do Flip Friday tomorrow. So next Friday. What's the date then? The 10th. Yeah. So next Friday we'll do a little fucking flip challenge. Winner of the flip challenge. It can be done on a demo. It's got to be $50 to whatever. You can go as many times as you want, but whoever gets the highest will get a free 10k. I like it. And then we'll grow from there. We'll do 10k on the first one. Oh, I reckon more than once a month for premium, you know. Or even bigger sizes, yeah. I'm trying to think of things like that to make the group good. Because like all the ones I've just been in, like the top, I don't want to call it even, like whoever's like just doing it, whoever's group it is, always arseholes. And you just never get anything good. Yeah, it has to be a set starting amount. I'm thinking 50. Because it's so much harder on 50. 100's easy. That 50 to like 150 first flip's the hardest one. By a mile. Well, in my opinion anyway. How do you know I won't just rig the giveaways though and just give them to the people in the group that I like the most? Like, who's made me laugh the most today? Him. Alright, you can have it. Yeah, it can be on demo for the flip challenge to win, like, yeah. Can be on demo, that's fine. It's just the... Nah, it depends. Like, if it's some of the ones joining from YouTube who aren't in the group, then yeah, obviously... if you're in the group and we're doing it properly, it's going to be for bigger accounts. That can be live. But I don't really care. Like, you could fake it for all I care. Just verify it. Gay that? What do you mean, lad? You're gay. Put a tenner in. Maybe want to sing that song about bald people then, Martin. Calling me gay. But yeah, no, that'll be for giveaways. I feel like we can do that. Who would we do the account with? That's the question. Fuck FCMO. They're the most expensive. Can't be doing that for the giveaways. No demos here. You're a demo, lads. You're the demo king, I heard. Nah, don't be sorry, man. Don't get shouted at. They're just fucking... They're miserable, they are. They're just moody and that. You can do any size you want, man. Whatever. I pick the winner anyway, at the end of the day. So whatever impresses me. You two can shut up. But yeah, it'll be good, and we'll do. I'll do two then. I'll do different ones. I'll do one on the YouTube and one in the group. There you go. The one in the group can be live. The one on the YouTube can be whatever you want, and I'll be nice about it. Little do you know, it'll be a futures account and it's $30. No, I'm joking. Or am I? Have a few. What other giveaways are good though? Like nothing else. You don't need anything else to trade. I'm not giving away like TradingView subscription. Brokers already pay you for that. That would be great either way. Yeah, you won't get priced out by Martin. He's just grouchy. He gets like that. He's quite likeable sometimes, but hating in the comments. Flight to Chester. Yeah, let's have it. Might go out this weekend, me. Oh, it's not a good... I can't. I've got things to fucking do. Why? Why can't I just be an idiot for a bit again? Why have I got all this going on? Because it's time. Fancy going out. Keep you in check. I'm uncheckable. Uncheckable. I need to get out of here though. I need to do something this weekend. But I got one-to-ones and shit to do, and I got other shit to prepare for. And like shit in the group is getting messy, and I want to organise things again. And I lost my head with my fucking my routine and schedule this week. Proper, just lost the plot. Kept forgetting to like eat at normal times. Didn't drink for like a whole day and a half while I was fasting as well, which didn't make it better. I leave the house. I've been to Blackie's a couple times, but I don't really do other than go there. I don't really leave now. I just stay at home. I don't really get dressed. I still clean and like brush my teeth and shower and that. I haven't got to that level of locked in the house, but I'll drink about 4 energy drinks and just stay up for hours on end, and then just like I sleep in naps really. So I'll just get really tired and have a couple of naps. The one-to-one. Good question. So basically, it depends where you are in the journey and what you want to do. But like one lad, I'm not naming him, but he's been training a little bit, not too much. Going to do like 3-4 hours with him, and it'll just be like one, introduction into the new strategy, how we look at the market, teaching market structure, higher highs, higher lows, and just like helping. Basically, when anyone comes, it's like, yes, I can teach you to trade a strategy that will last you. Like, not last year, it'll just take, like, you can trade all day and whatever, but it still isn't really adapting it to you. And if you've got work, you've got other commitments and that, like, I can sit down with you or speak on a call and that, and just plan out, like, when you want to be trading, what hours you want to be sitting and looking at the market, how you can fit it around your life, what sort of time frame you'd want to trade, possibly even looking at some other pairs if you're trading on a higher time frame and not getting as many entries. And just, yeah, suiting it around you, suiting it around your risk appetite. Like, if you've got a little bit more cash available and you're a little bit happier with risking, like just going for bigger accounts straight away, growing your portfolio, growing your live accounts, strategies on that. It's like nothing that I don't talk about anyway, but it's just like, it would just be like a little intensive, either a few hours or just 1 hour. Just to dive in, any questions, how we look at the market, go over market structure, even just like some additional investment things. I can do it all. It's obviously not free though, if that's what you got your hand up for. But yeah. I mean, like, say you're even further along in your journey, and it's just like, right, I want to sort of reshuffle this. I've got this amount of money. I can put this into this account. Do I spend this on funding? Do I go full time? Is it the right time? What do I want to do with that? How would I build structure around the day if I was just trading? Give me, Martin. You can. I'll do a giveaway at one of them though. You can have a giveaway 1-to-1 somebody. But yeah, Martin, it is not £10. You wish you could. It'd be easier for you though, because you could just be around me and I could say it. Like, you, it's different. Like, when people don't live near me or they don't know me. How many hours for £10? Not even 1 hour. £10 would do you 6.5 minutes. I reckon. Maybe 8 minutes if I was feeling generous. But probably not more than that. You'll get more value from a stream, I would say. Yeah, the normal pricing is $125 for the session. If you're in the group, you get it cheaper. And on a few, you get it cheaper. But yeah, I've actually, you may laugh, but I've had a few heads sign up, you know, and the results are going to be mental, I promise you. Like, I know all the ins and outs and the do's and don'ts, and like, I've done them all, and I can guide you on the journey to success without fucking ruining your life. 20 quid and give us your shoes. Little in-betweeners reference for you. 20 quid. Is it bad that I probably would do it for 20 quid? For you alone? And Harachi, I'd do it to you for 20 quid as well. £20 for an hour isn't the biggest waste of my time ever. It is a little bit. But I feel like you'd be better tempting me with like food or something for the value of the same. But yeah, I'm bored of the market. Crackhead. What do you mean a crackhead? £20 an hour is a good fucking wage. You're mad. Or is it not? I know what's living wage now for the peons and the normal humans. I bet it pays good to fucking fix them things, or or should I say, build them things now though. It paid good when I was there, and that was fucking ages ago. Not for trading. Not for trading. Forgot trading. What are you trying to say there, man? Not for trading. I'm not really doing any trading, to be honest. I forgot it was bank holiday. TF Trader. The fuck? I can't see his photo. Is that a TF? That can't be. It looks like TF because the photo is so small, but it can't be. How long have I been full time for? That's a very good question. I've been full time multiple times, not full time, not full time. But like, I quit real life working and jobs about 4 or 5 years ago. Oh, it's not fucking 20 an hour for teaching trading. I offered that solely to Martin. It's like fucking... The discount for the people that are doing the group is 65 for a session, 3 for 75, 5 for 200 for summit. And then... Do you mean never started? Are you mad? You're mad. No, I went for... That's for the people who were in my group, in my community, like the early days, guys. Normally it's 125, and then I am thinking about once I've had a few people through the door and actually taught it and got the testimonials and built the track record, then building a bit more of a high ticket funnel, and start selling the ultimate trader package. How much do you want me to charge then, TF Trader? What you reckon? If you want to pay more, that's cool. And it depends what I was doing. Like, if I had literally taught you to become the master sensei and we worked together loads and what, like, cool. Lifetime access. For what? Yeah, I do. I thought $125 for an hour was pretty sweet. Just while I'm getting up and getting the testimonials in and shit, and then then we can go from there. But right now, I'm just enjoying getting the knowledge out there, to be honest, and actually making the difference for a few people. You paid him $400 an hour. Jesus Christ. How many hours did you do, man? Fuck me. Do not get one off Martin for 200. He's shit. 1 hour. Are you actually good at trading now, though? Like, have you made it in that? Yeah. Are you profitable? Are you in the game? God, it's the weirdest thing looking at you, TF Trader, and you've written the word Doyle. I know that's going to mean nothing to you, but proper in the matrix in my mind there. $400 an hour. You don't regret it at all. 5 hours. $2,000. Shit, I am undercharging. Well, I'll do it if you're up. Yeah, shit, man. We are repricing that. Well, that's what I mean, though. He's got testimonials and shit. So the first few people I'm still going to do cheap. They're in the group. They've been here since I started. They've helped me build it up from the ground. So, like, I don't mind giving back to a few guys. But, yeah, maybe I'm not going to be publicly advertising those lower prices then. And we can start milking some American fuckers. But I'll actually teach still. Like, I'm not just going to make you a high ticket fucking thing and not teach you how to trade. I actually will make the best traders about, because I'll be nasty to you. I'll keep you accountable. I can help you build insane plans, insane tools. I know the ins and outs of the markets. The exposer is here. Not only did he get justice, he's now got Doyle. Is it right? It's one of them. So, like, when you look at the bigger picture, how do people see it? Like, do you hate the fact that they are cheating and they do it like that, or at the end of the day, if they are teaching you whatever, or if they like Depends what they claim, isn't it? Like the ones with all the supercars, TGR and that, it's mad. When you say you've been trading live with him, like you trade on his live streams. Because I remember watching, somebody made a video about TJR's like whole concept, and they were like, at the end of the day, if they are like affecting people and that, does it matter? I kind of feel like it does. I feel like it does. Like there can still be a positive influence. Like it's probably going to stop them going to hell and shit. Like I don't think they should go to jail, but I think a lot of the famoosing in the industry is. Yeah. It's a crazy industry though, isn't it? Like it's an information and attention industry, a lot of it, with a lot of people. Don't blame them, it works. What time does he go live? New York session. Do you pay to go in his lives? Do you have to pay to be in his Discord, or how does that work? I'm very interested in all this sort of stuff. Look at this keeping me on stream for longer. Defo gay. Bender. Monthly. That is really true. I do agree with that point about it's all emotional. If you trade the demo, there's none of that. That is true. So, like, you can teach people strategy, but you couldn't necessarily teach them to become a trader. Like, a big part of that psychology part, I suppose, is like, you kind of got to do it on your own, though. Fucking hell, if I had 100k people in my Discord and they're paying however many dollars a month, would I be trading? Why? Yeah, I'd probably be gambling even worse. You'd see me whack like 150k in an account and just full spam it. It's been done before, it's been lost before, it's been made before. The circle of life. I really need to step up the game on this info product then. That's mad. Because, like, there's one lad in the group was like, oh, this is the best thing I've ever joined. Like, loads of people have said good things. Like, people have messaged me saying it's the best thing they've done. And, like, I actually am making a difference. I'm just not fucking getting it out there now. So I need to keep committing to these, get people in, spam an egg. One-on-one price is $250,000 an hour. What? What is this fucking... What are these people on? There's absolutely zero information in the world that I would pay $250,000 an hour for. Is it worth it? Possibly. Like, there could be information worth it. If you pay $250,000 for an hour and it teaches you how to make $1 million... it's fucking worth it. Like, you gotta not look at it with like a proper little closed off mindset. So some of them, like somebody with a lot of money could, like somebody had 5 million and I was like, pay me 500k, and I taught them how to make another 5 million with that 500k they paid me, or with the 4.5 left. That's worth it. It's business exchange. That's how fucking shit gets done. So God, I need to price up. It's more just for his time though, right? Yeah, but what's he gonna know though? They're all marketing for mooses. Is he that good at trading? Is he that good? I'd be well interested to see that. Well interested. What's his name again? Doyle FX. Doyle Exchange. Is it Doyle Exchange one-on-one session? Nah, it's got to be a different head, that. Yeah, those 5k courses are that Hank FX. I messaged him to see what he's saying. Susan Doyle. What a woman. Yeah, 5k mentorship. I don't want to, like, I would love to do that. And I genuinely think, like, if you had enough money, it would be worth it. I could teach you to make a lot of fucking dough. I reckon after paying me 5k for a week, I could fucking 100%. You'd be making more than 5k a week if you had 100 grand. So I don't think it's overcharging, but I just feel like when it's just all these dickheads who can't trade and they haven't got a good strategy and they've not done it before, and they're just pushing it, and like when you try it, it's got so many crazy rules, dumb time frames. Give me brother, I'd do quite a lot for 5k. Name it. Let me know. We'll discuss. But none of these, I'm not sitting here trying to be cocky, but none of these fucking traders that have made millions selling groups are anywhere near as good as I am. None of their analysis on gold would fucking touch mine. Like, big-headed, I'm what? Not even asked. I have actually got a big head. I was born with one, so obviously I was supposed to act said way. But yeah, I'd smoke TJR, I'd smoke PB trades, I'd smoke Tory trades, and then take her out for dinner. Because she posted a picture in a bikini the other day, and I was like, yeah, fair dues, Tory. I'll forgive you for being a trendline scammer. If you just wiggle that right over here. You got that other one as well, but she seems a bit young. I don't know what her name is. Zaloria or something. She says she's 20, but she just looks a bit young, so I reckon she'd be more for Marcus. The real ones actually do stay small, but I don't mind that. If I got a community of like 100 people or say, and like if it's $50 a month, you're only making 5k. Like that's just enough that you can actually recycle it into the group, go and do fun things with everyone each year. Put it into stuff, put it into props, and like the more you grow that, like I would love to grow it into a fund, and I could actually be like, all right, instead of getting funded accounts, we can fund you a 2k to learn to trade after you've been through my courses and shit, and we work it from there. Because realistically, that's the same as what you get on a 25k, and we could just become account flipping masters. But like, yeah, I think I don't even mind staying small. I would rather not. Obviously, I'd rather have millions of followers and be pouring the money in, but it's just like part of me feels a bit too moral about certain things, about scamming and pushing. Like I've been offered insane deals by like some shitty brokers. Like I haven't not taken them, but I just do not push the links. I don't do it. Whereas like Fusion, it pays absolute peanuts, but it's a really good broker, and I'm just like, within a small community of people that grows by people just talking to other people they know wanting to make a bit more dough, and just like making a small difference that way, and then see where we can go instead of just trying to instantly become the number one fucking Instagram, YouTube streaming, take over the world, influencer gay boy. And I'm just not pretty enough for that, do you know what I mean? Falcon FX. I remember that one. That rings a bell. I've done all of them. I've done like that Daniel fucking Savage. I've done... Who else was shit? I've done some of the Mamba FX ones. I've done... The broker deals are mental. Like one of the ones I got was fucking... Yeah, was mad. You can get like... Depending who you are and with what... Like if you're with the scammy, like super mad foreign ones that are like in the middle of some crazy island somewhere, you can get like $20 per lot, $30 per lot that's traded by people underneath you. That's mental. Like that's what like Lambo Rowell and all that used to do all the time. And that's how they all got so big, and then would just do shitty videos flipping on some fake MT5 accounts, and they're just like, it's just exhausting. Yeah, they're all just idiots. Even who was the other one? There was he's embarrassing, and then he owned a prop firm. I nearly worked for him at one point. Swaggy C, Chris Williams or whatever his name is. He's a nugget as well. They're all just like, and I haven't met many of them in person, but I've come across so many of these people working in the firms that I've worked and doing the things I've done. Like, and they're all losers, and you come across them, and like even you'd see these like prop firm CEOs, like they're the American ones, and they all seem super cool, and they'll sit on this big boat. But like you'd chat to them in a meeting, and they'd just be like stupid little boys, like little frat boys. Like none of them are any better than just normal people. You've bought all these courses. Are you profitable yet? Are you trading like some sort of ICT low time frame 1 minute bullshit? Swaggy C is one of the most embarrassing people in the world. And I could never decide whether I actually thought that his missus was hot. Like, I would see certain bits and it'd be like, ooh, yeah. And then other times, and like, yeah, he's just a weirdo. Proper weirdo. That's one reason why I want to get big, so I can just call these guys losers. Like, I'll just tear them apart. We'll go on podcasts together and I'll make them cry and that. Show them who the daddy is. Supply and demand. Do you trade gold? What do you trade? What's your instrument? I don't even know what people mean by supply and demand anymore. Is that like just key levels and structure? Or like liquidity sweeps? I don't know what it means anymore. There's too many names for things in trading. Mad interesting though. Mad interesting. Well, I'd love to convert you to trading gold properly. Like, it's a fast path to profitability. I can, if you're already there and you're smashing it, well done. It would still be better. You'd probably make more money. You'd have more fun. If you want to join my community, the link is in the description for this video, I hope. If not, it's in the bio for the WAP. And last down close candle in swing low with gap connected. That just sounds confusing. Last down close candle in a swing low with gap connected. What time frame? Yeah, I think I could make it. Yeah, if it's one of these lower time frame strategies, I just can't do it. Like, I've got mates who trade like that. Never been able to get my head around it. I'm too emotional. I'm too fat fingered. Oh shit, I've entered 9 positions because I was trying to enter 1 fast. I like a little pending order. Four hour. Right, cool. What instrument as well? Can I do it on Bitcoin? Can we do it on everything? So 4 hour. Last down close candle in a gap. Yeah, market structure, fib, key level. You're spot on, Elliot. You're spot on. I feel like it's proper transformation time for you, man. I've been really excited about it all day. Them little chats we had in voice notes. Yeah, I don't know, man. I've just been grinning my head off about it. It's just like, it's exciting. I hope you're excited. A big chapter. We're gonna fucking take over this shit, man. Hope you're a car man, because you're gonna be driving fat cars. $4 hour. What's a gap though? Like a market. But there's not that many gaps. Surely you're not being like a gap on the chart. I don't know. I can't be corrupting my mind with this anymore. I hope it works for you. I hope you're profitable. If you're not, link in the description. I'll fix you. But yeah, crazy that people are wanting these one-to-ones though. Like finally, after all this time, we're getting somewhere. People want to see. People are seeing the results. And they're only going to get better, man. People in the group are only going to get better. The results are only going to be coming thicker and faster. Imbalance, he means. Who's just been sat there like, I need to tell him. He's getting it wrong. I don't really know what that is either, though. Like that, an imbalance confuse. I see a few people talk about it in the group. Good, man. Good. I like the confidence. I want to hear it. Yeah, we'll have a chat tomorrow. I've been thinking about loads of things and loads of questions and that I want to ask you and send across. So, yeah, that'd be sick, man. Yeah, and then more one-to-ones tomorrow, another one Sunday. It would just be sick to have the group and like a few people start doing really well. C63S, bro. Do you know what I mean? That next. Or do you want one of the old school ones still that is a 6.3 litre? Because like those ones are cool, but they're just a bit ugly. I wish they did the new one in that proper. I don't think I'm gonna. Why are you trying to call me out in the chat like that? Trying to get me say these things. I don't want to get banned. I'm not an Austrian painter. Don't be hailing me. Yeah, it's a big time. I want loads of people, few people to just do really well, and not even like for me. Obviously for me and to grow the group. Like I'm not fully selfless. I'm no charity. Oh, do not fucking worry about replying to me and that. I didn't even notice that you haven't. I've already looked at my phone. It died a while ago. Yeah, they're fucking. These cars are good, man. That's what gets me excited. I've seen a little Porsche, like 270 grand. Literally every time I close my eyes at night, I pretty much see that. It's all coming. And then hopefully everyone can start teaching everyone else, and we all start making money. If we can just take over and get a big. Oh, you meant hello. Oh no! So I've just outed myself. Oh, I outed myself as somebody who makes those jokes. I'm not gonna say a supporter. I'm joking. Nah, we're all good. What one? It was. Let me find it now. It's on Car. I look at it all the time. Car Gurus. Come on now. It's like the most expensive one on that fucking website. Where is it now? If that's sold, my whole life is over. I'm quitting trading. There's no point in me continuing. Yeah. So there's two, there is. This white one. Or this green one. Oh no, there's actually three. So you got option one. Can I close all these now? Yeah. Yeah, so it's one of these three. I think the black one, you know. I wish it was a bit more of an old gold. That'd be better. Yeah, enjoy it. 11 people watching. That is actually mad. I may as well stay on and just talk about these anyway. But yeah, this is what I'm trading for right now. This is going to be the first big job. I think it's got the black one just looks naughty, doesn't it? But I think I'd like it with like that gold, the gold of those tyres to be the gold on these tyres and that stripe. But yeah, this is what we're trading for. It is 20k less as well, and I like it more. Why is that high priced? Why is 6,000 miles so fucking deadly for the car? But yeah, that's what we're smoking. Some of these old ones are stinking. I do like them, but you just kind of look like a gay. Weird painting. But yeah, I think we're going to get this one. And what are we today? What's the date today? 3rd of April. Right, we'll say... Yeah, fuck it. 29th of December. We'll be copping this by. You'd go white, would you? Yeah. Is that the one? See, I like this white one, but my old neighbour where I grew up, he's got one of these, and he's got a fucking... He's got the classic, the Porsche 911 classic thing as well. And I don't mean like the old one, it's a new car, they only just brought it out. It was that classic pack. Let's see if there's one of these on here before I fucking get to you. God, you can actually get some of these quite cheap now. Yeah, he's got one of these under my old neighbour. This is his first one, and he's got a new one as well. But when he bought this one, right, he bought it for 200 and something. What have I got now? Nothing, lads. I was in Vietnam, I got rid of all my shit. That's why I want it to be hilarious. My full rags to riches story is going to be from carless to fucking zzz. But yeah, end of this year, 100 fucking %. Not one of these old ones either. Oh, but even that still would get smoked. But they're just so fucking fast and easy to drive, and like I've actually driven one. And it was, like, I did not get to drive it fast. And the guys who it was just sat there, like, fucking eyeballed me the whole time. But, yeah. Just booked some fat cars for when I'm in America as well. When we go to the World Cup. Just, like, I might even get some better shit as well. End of the year, we're definitely... Oh, we'll do it. We'll get a big video going as well, lads. That'll be sick. And then we'll get that big, we can sponsor the Wolves and get our fucking faces on the middle of the shirts, lads. That'd be sick. That'd be the... Oh, I honestly think my dad would die if that happened. Get a box and that. The Legacy Wolves. Yeah, right, it's definitely time to go. It's fucking... People are watching now, or they were watching. How many viewers now? I don't have that open. Still 6, man. Mental. Enjoyed the engagement. Everyone's coming down for the collection. Come on. Yeah, I like that a lot. It's going to be a big thing. Whoa, what was that? Yeah, mine isn't because he lives in Preston now, but fuck me, like what he knows about that fucking club. And just, it's pure love. So, yeah, that'd be fucking... What are my thoughts on Ferraris? Absolutely fucking love them. Like, really love them. It's very unpopular, but I do like that 4x4. I know you're all going to hate me for it. I know you are. But I do like it. You say exposed. There is no exposed. I don't think it showed anything. You always fucking try and have me off like that, aren't you? Exposed. Light bulb trading thinks he's the man. He's a YouTube scammer. Yeah, I really like Ferraris though, back to that point. I used to love Seb's Pista. That used to... Oh, man, when I sat in that... Oh, God, that was, yeah, creamery. But my ideal Ferrari would be very unaffordable. Not very unaffordable for life, very unaffordable for right now. Come on, Auto Trader, get opening, you fat meth. You're all going to know me postcode as well, but who cares? There's an exact one that I've been looking at. It's got to be red, hasn't it? A Ferrari. It's got to be red. Let me just fucking drag this here now. Ooh. Yeah, this F12 Superfast, 6.5 litre. Like, yes, they're all pretty old now, but the roar of one of them. The first time I seen someone pull up in one of these, I literally nearly jizzed myself. They're beautiful. I love Pistas. Yeah, the Aston Martin 4x4, it is really nice, but apparently Aston's a shit. Where am I from? North Wales, bro. I live near Broughton, if you know where that is. From around Chester ways originally. Probably don't know where that is either, but yeah. Very just like nice villages and that. It was good. Apart from Tatnall, it's a shithole, and everyone from Tatnall is a homosexual. But yeah, anything. Oh, I want to go to that Tom Hartley cars and just tell him he's a knobhead and then buy a car of him. But yeah, they're naughty. What else are we looking at? Can we untick that? Stick it on. Any. What are we looking at cheap shit for? What? What do you reckon? Are we getting this much dough? Do a TJR and get. Yeah, with the Novatech on the 812. Oh my god, I've never heard anything like it. It almost hurts. If you've got like an underground garage or like a really closed off garage, starting it, you can literally nearly burst your own eardrum. Yeah, all these. Yeah, that one. If you get the competition one, oh my god. Cause that, yeah, it's nice, new. It's just not the same. That'd be fucking. Ooh. Yeah, I would smoke that. Right, guys, everyone's got to keep watching, subscribing, liking. You got to get me to one of these cars. You know, every time you make everyone gets famous and it's all big and that, and you're just like, we did it to the wrong guy. I promise I'll be the right guy. And we'll all do it. We're all coming up. We're all taking over. I do like my little old classic-y shit as well. That one does look gnarly, doesn't it? I did just snub the other one, but wow. The colour of that as well. Ferraris have got to be red, in my humble opinion. But if I have multiple, that's nicer than any fucking Bugatti and most supercars, that, innit? Red Renault Clio, obviously. Going round the corner that fast on 2 wheels, you're done now. Police ain't gonna do shit. Tatnall Massive, TSE. Oh, God, yeah, that. But I do like the Ferrari 4x4. Everyone hates it, and I really don't get the hate. Like, look at this. The back profile is a bit gross, but look at that side profile. It's so aggressive. Is that a fucking better one now? Oh, yeah, it's from Venom. How have they been allowed to do that? But fucking if you change one thing on your Ferrari, they'll stab you in the eyeball and ban you from buying Ferraris again. Wow. I'd put a baby in that. Yeah, you're keen on that, Elliot? Yeah. How much is that? 650k. That's light work. That's light work. What did you say? The F355? What's that? Have I seen one already? Have I gone past it? That old thing? Nah, it's F40. F355. Never heard of it, man. F355. Search. Oh, do you know what? That actually is nice. A little old school. A lad I used to play. Oh, fucking. Yeah, fuck it. A lad I used to play cricket with, his dad had one of these. That's a bad. Yeah, it is nice. I feel like they just drive. Haven't they got shit gearboxes, though, old Ferraris? Like, beautiful engines, but gearboxes are crunchy as fuck. That is nice though, but would I pay 170k for an oldish looking car? Yeah, we'd need a bit more going on there, wouldn't we? I've also been looking at, I don't know why everyone's getting on the show what I've been looking at, but I'm looking at fucking castles in Romania. So I was like, oh yeah, get a compound and not a compound, like a big warehouse and an airstrip that you could put a trading floor on. But imagine just having a fucking ginormous castle that you pay for a bit to come and learn to trade and do like a mad intensive course. And you're in a fucking castle. Insane. Manual gated. Yeah, that gear area was pretty sexy. The Novatec 4x4 Ferrari, right. It is just a car night then, is it? Cool. I'm game for that. What is it? Boom. This? That's horrible noises. I do want to hear the noises on it though. Just do it in my YouTube without watching myself. Novatec. Oh, fuck it, what was it? Yeah, Castle sounds mega, doesn't it? And some of them, it was like 600k for this like 100 bedroom, 30 bathroom, fucking mad towers everywhere. Fucking hell, I've lost it now. Novatec 4x4 Ferrari. I want to hear the noise, man. Oh, shit. It's definitely not showing me the right shit, but fuck it off. Novatec, there we go. There's some noise on this. That's my boss. That was my boss. How weird's that? I just got an advert for my boss. Ah, awesome, man. I'm glad you're here for the journey. Oh, shit. I don't know if it's taken any audio from that, is it? That's mental, as if. You don't get to listen to that. Gee, how do I fix that? Or can you hear it? Nah. Gee, how do I make it do noise, bro? Check what link out, brev. It just sounds so good, but I can't tell anyone what it sounds like. Display capture. Turn up desktop. Nah, bruv. It's on already. But it's coming through my headphones. So it's not that. Why is it not coming through? It's just saying my desktop audio is nothing. Yo. Right, when I learn how to stream properly, guys, we can keep doing fun things like this. Right now, that's irritating. Have you put a different link on there or something, lads? Let's go back onto my shit. Nah, there ain't no link. I'm glad you're excited to see my growth. I hope you subscribed. We're on 14 now. That's pretty exciting, isn't it? 14 subs, few days. I think I need to work on this thumbnail, make it a bit more exciting, do a bit more on the fucking title and description as when I stop becoming such a boomer. But we're getting there. We are getting there. I got a bucket full of sunshine. Oh, God, these are making me sexy, though. Like, what girl isn't going to suck you off for one of them? Even if you look like me. If you got a bit of dough and you're just sitting in that, whoosh, whip it out. What are you saying? Come on now. What's wrong with them breaks? What's that about? Who's the car man in here? But right, yeah, 235k. So $99. We would need about 23,000 people to sign up to the group. Doyle FX has got fucking 100,000 or whatever he's got. So fuck him. Let's do it. And I'm gonna come for all these traders. Like I've got some beefs that I need to sort myself in the trading world with some fucking baldy cunts. And then after that, when we start to get big, I'm coming for them all. I'll fight TJR. I don't care how tall he is. I'll fucking... Yeah. Who do I like that I wouldn't do anything to? Don't know. That Trades by Size been posting some proper fruity shit as well. But crypto's doing nothing. So I just sit. Well, what's that? Don't know. Should we just make myself huge? You can just sit and look at me. Nah. I actually think it's time to go. I need to go to fucking sleep, guys. 12:30. Go get a little drink. But yeah, it's been good. It's been fun. I'm glad I come on. I'll be back. I'll probably be back Monday, even though it's a bank holiday. Or do I just take it all off and do some other shit? I don't know. But appreciate it all. Let's do it. Next time. Why what? I'm not leaving yet. Why? Why will I not come Monday? Well, it's bank holiday, so no gold trading. But I just like it. It's really not helping me be a normal person in society though, because I just talk to myself all the fucking time now. Because I've been streaming a lot or like filming analysis videos and sending shit in. Like I talk to myself all the time and then I do it in public and it's fucking crazy. But I don't know what you said, what I thought. Enjoy it, have a good time. I'll message you as well, lads. Why am I leaving? What, do you want me to stay? It's late, man. I'm tired. Alright, fuck it. Ask me some questions. Tell me some fun shit to do. Everyone else, though, go. Fucking sleep. Enjoy your night. I kind of need to go and get a drink. I might just run off and do that and then come back. But you got to give me a topic to chat on. What do you want me to teach you? Do you want me to teach you my strategy? Oh, no. I want you to pay me to do that. Fuck that. I'm joking. I will show you the ad nugget if that's what you wanted. But I heard you're profitable anyway. I'm leaving. I don't know. I feel like just streaming all night isn't going to make me pop off. Or is that not how it works? I shave my head on stream if it's going to get more people to fucking join. I can get growing. I find content just the hardest to make. Like live streams is good. A little breakdown. Come on then. I'll give you, even though the market is closed on gold, I'll give you a little breakdown so you can start to learn. Everyone who already knows this, go. Stop watching. I'm not arse on the views. Like, fucking, this is just me and TF getting on it now. But yeah, so basically, I mainly trade gold. And there's a few things I look at. We all waiting. I'm loving this. So, the main things I look at when I'm trading gold is a Fibonacci-based strategy. I wish that was a prime example, but the 78's just missed. But yeah, so it's a Fibonacci-based strategy, focusing on the 78 and the 88% Fib retracement. Around that 78-88 area, it's supposedly it's a thing within the stock market and within like bigger institutional trading and biases that when things retrace around 80%, it's a good area to enter again from. Gold absolutely fucking loves it. So this one, if you'd have gone from here, 88 fib, stops below the fucking 88 fib, stops below the low. Target normally would be the 38, and it's done it perfectly. So if we react solely from the 78, I'd target the 23. If we act from the 88, I target the 38, and that's why the lines are the same colour. We have all the lines on, not necessarily because we trade them all, because the reversal zones here, this is what I would actually trade from. I rarely take the 70, but I can do. It's not never on a bigger time frame. If the Fibonacci is bigger over a big move like this, then I may take a look at the 70. But 78 and 88 have been my bread and butter for a good few months now, and it works on almost every time frame. So a few positions that have been taken within the groups. Within the group recently, so is that the 3? Yeah. What did we take? So I definitely sent this level in, and I wish I held it where I should have held it. But look at that, right? 78, 88, pristine. This one's probably a 70. No, it's a 61. No problem. They don't all work. That's just a no trade. It's not a loss. Going up from here, it's probably a 61 or a 70 again. Yeah, 61. And then, yeah, you just carry on up to the top, really. Obviously, that 78 is nearly worked. That's worked as an 88. And, yeah, if it works nicely, you just have to work on your timings. And then alongside that, like in terms of creating bias, this is how I've been looking at the market over the last few days. I was explaining it on the 5-minute earlier, but I've probably gone 4 hour here. But there's been some nice trade examples. So when price was here, we obviously had this structure level, this market structure level, this key level, whatever you want to call it, support zone, resistance zone. And when price got to here, it was clear sellers continued to be in charge and price continued to push down. Price fails to make a new lower low. So we've gone clear downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Lower low, awesome. Lower high, cool. As price starts to push down, we seem to react off this order block and push up. So price, just as you're looking on the 4 hour, seems to have started to make now a higher low. So that could indicate that we're now going into an uptrend. Price then comes up on the 4 hour and closes well above this zone. So that now is an indication that price wants to continue upwards. It's taken through the zone where sellers were in charge. Hopefully the market flips, and now we're looking into a bullish market. But what a lot of people do, and what a lot of people do wrong, is they would wait and take this retest and then try and buy market back up to the highs. That is some boring old baby pips. Have you even learned how to trade strategy? Sometimes it works, sometimes you get smoked. Your risk to reward would have been poo. It's not it. So what we do is, I would wait for it to close above, give us the indication that price wants to continue moving upwards. As price starts to come down, I would go to a slightly lower time frame, not much lower than the 1 hour though, and just be like, right, where in here now seems to be a good solid structure level where price may come and react and continue on with its uptrend. I like to normally mark these with a line, to be honest, as opposed to a zone. But I would say this level, you got this wick. It includes this wick because obviously we're looking at buys. So if we go higher, we just have stops that will cover this wick, this wick. And then another level I would probably look at. Yeah, so obviously we're looking at it, it's coming down. Probably in here as well, and that's exactly where price has reacted from. So you got these closes and wicks. I probably would have gone a bit higher to include more recent price action, because that wick is quite important to me. And yeah, obviously I wouldn't have caught this entire move, and this happens on so many time frames. If you go just before, so what day was that? Yesterday. Say it was Thursday. The day before Wednesday. So it was Wednesday around market open. Not market open, US open, sorry. Tuesday, Wednesday, here we go. Oh, that is literally the trade I've just talked about. Isn't that funny? It wasn't. It was Wednesday at 2 p.m, man. Oh, it was in this range here because it was on the 5 minute. So, like, you get a bit of consolidation on the 5 minute, and you're like, "Oh, right, that's interesting. What do we think's going to happen?" We got, yeah. So this is where he was. We were on the 5 minute. Price was fucking around. Price closes above, comes back down to the level which we'd have gone off these body closes, and then carries on back up to the highs. And it's just, yeah, starting to read market structure in certain patterns. I'm sure it wasn't that. Nah, yeah, it was definitely this level. Yeah, and it's just like the market will start to show you if it's consolidating. Like this, really, is just a piece of consolidation, isn't it? But you can see it's clearly like it's slowly forming a downtrend within the consolidation, but it's not. It's not breaking any highs or lows. It's a lot. It's very often that then when it does finally break out, it will be in that direction. And then again here, it's consolidating but showing slight signs of a downtrend. When it breaks out, pushes down. This one, okay, that's an exception. It's done the opposite. It's not every time, obviously, but it can give you a little inkling across the whole thing. Like this one did a bit of both really. Could say it was an uptrend towards the end down there. So, and on the 5 minute, it's not as realistic. Like it's talking the 1 minute and the 4 hour really. But that was just showing you the logic behind some of the market structure. But this was one of the best positions taken. I wish we fucking held up to the highs, but that's greediness. What I would look at now in terms of sells for gold, some good zones if anyone's still with me. See of the wick that, bro. What? It's not necessarily that I'll just pick closes versus wicks, but body closes are very, very. They tell us a lot more than a wick does, in my opinion. I think body closes are more important, especially on a higher time frame. They seem to react just a little bit better. And it just, yeah, it stops you missing the zone. And like if price is closed at an exact like in a level that lines up twice, like for price to have wicked up and gone to a level a few times doesn't seem like it would be that rare. But for price to close dead on nearly parallel at the exact same price on another 4 out, like it, I don't know. It seems like that zone is more significant for me to price to. Oh, it closed at the C of the wick there. You're right. Yeah. Or was it a different time frame? Well, yeah. There's been a lot of good positions. So this 70 fib, I wouldn't not take, to be honest. It was the first time we broke this level on the 4 hour. First time we broke it, pushed down, continued down loads, to be honest. So I think we may come and tap into this. Oh man, I would have said that without the fib there. Let me delete that. Look at this structure level here with these wicks and body closes. It's not necessarily that I favour one over the other. I will use both. If there's loads of wicks in one area, like really tight, and there's no body closes close, doesn't mean I completely ignore the. Yeah. Yeah, you just this market structure level, and obviously I know because I've drawn the fib already. It lines up with that 78. So for me, that is that's going to be a big money sell. Like I've not drawn this on to sell, but yeah, I wanted to push back into this level. It already given an indication it was going to continue down. Price very well could come down to this 39.50 level before continuing back up on its crazy rallies back up to 6k because it is coming. When I'm not sure, but it is fucking coming. And I'd imagine we're in an uptrend for the foreseeable. I'd probably take an entry if it came down here too. See if we can get a fib to line up with that. Oh, the 70. Perfect. Yeah, so I'll be interested in this level. And then lower down. That with the body close at 4250. What happens if we start here? Yeah, that's 78. Is that a 4-hour structure level? If I drop it down a time frame after doing that as well, see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, that's quite a strong level to possibly trade from, especially now I can refine it a bit shorter. Stops you would want below this at least. But yeah, it's just combining levels, fibs, and all that. What's lungs? I don't know. But right, guys, I am actually going to fucking bed now. I'm tired. It's 20 to 1 in the morning. I was up early. I gotta get up, do my analysis and shit. So, it's been a pleasure. I appreciate everyone coming on to watch. Subscribe. It's been good in the chat. Get everyone back in the chat tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, probably Monday, Tuesday when I'm back. Get my Instagram at TraderAE. Link to the WAP is in the bio of this video. I will make you profitable if you just keep watching for free, and if you want a little speed run and get it done fast, get on it. But yeah, sleep well, team.